an Excel user brought in a set of data and needed my help in resolving or in showing him what to do. The Excel data contained about 2,000 data entries, and wanted to sort, and the requirement then was to sort the odd number data as against the even number data. Okay, so this is how I was able to do it. So I want to share with everyone how I did it. Okay, so I'm just going to come up with arbitrary data, random data to work with. So next, okay, so this is sample data, and in this data, the user sort of wanted to separate the odd numbers, the even numbers, wanted to at some point get the pipe lengths for all the odd numbered pipes and the pipe lengths for all the even numbered pipes. Okay, now to do that, first is to create a column called number, and in that number here I'll just add 1, 2, 3, sorry, 3 and 4. Highlight all, do a double click to fill it up. Okay, so that goes down, that fills it up automatically to required number. And so at this point now okay, no, this is not exactly how it was, because this one is odd number and the 200 pipe is 200 is even. Okay, so what I'll do here is I'll undo this, and rather than that I'll have 200 here. Okay, so I do this, highlight, double click, and that goes down all the way to 1. Okay, so I added this column, and then I add a column. In this column I call it is even, and this column is odd. Okay, I'm bolding this. Now for the is even column, put a formula that says is even, tap to select it, and then control down and choose this, close the bracket, enter. Okay, then I do this. Okay, so first column here is even, that's true. First row here, this row 2 here is even, that's true. Row 3 is odd, so it's false, so it's not even. And then for is even, I'll create a formula, and so it's odd, and that comes up, check tab button, shift down, and then close the bracket, enter. Click on it, and okay, so that generates true and false values. Okay, so next, can I light across? Well, meanwhile, you can see all the figures. It went down from the very first to the last pipe, which is 200. From 200, the very first, to the last pipe number 1. So what next? Can do this, and then go to sort and filter and add filter. Double click to make it fit into the width. Okay, so with this done, what can the user do? Say want to see odd numbers. Okay, so now what has that done? It has displayed only the pipe lengths, in this case for odd numbered pipes, for all what? Odd numbered pipes. And here you see that all the odd number is all true. Okay, so now we have the data or the pipe length for all the odd numbered pipes, and then here can work with this figure, highlight all, copy it, and work with it. Okay, so we can go back and put this back, say okay, all the values will appear, all the values. So the same way, if you want only the odd numbered pipes, only even numbered pipes, in this case now, you can still use this column and say false. So here you say odd numbered pipes, even numbered pipes alone, say true, and then even numbered pipes becomes true, and then you have only even numbered, the pipe length for only even numbered pipes. Okay, so this is how in an Excel data, if you want to separate even line items from odd line items, this is how I did it, and I was able to get the user to get the both even numbers and odd numbered entries for what he wanted to use for. Okay, so thank you.